We're going to go out to Rich Bonaducci, who is showing us all kinds of cool stuff to just get off the beaten path.
Yeah, I didn't have time for a shower this morning, so I could use this, right, Eric?
That's right.
A shower cube, just right off the side of the vehicle. This, I did not know what overlanding is, but the more I find out, the more I like it. So tell us about, someone comes in with a Tacoma and they say, I want to trick this out. Show us how you did this one, for instance.
So this is Violet. Violet from the very beginning, she got everything she wanted. So she's sitting on Falcon suspension, Terraflex wheels, BF Goodrich tires. We've got the canopy camper on her. Inside the canopy camper, you'll see all the goose gear. Got the little drop-down table. There's actually a propane heater
and propane
inside this unit. So the tent on top opens up from the inside. You crawl up through the inside and get up there.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yep. It's a fully self-contained unit. There's the water tank up front, so you've got water, heat, everything you could want.
So for a guy my height, this is okay, but this actually pops up, right?
So both sections pop up. You can stand up inside there, and that's also how you access the tent in this unit.
Okay. So, again, this Tacoma to me is not like a massive truck, but you guys have done an amazing job using space. Like, I like the way this is also a table and the shower's over here. Looks like you guys are just using every ounce of space for something cool.
Absolutely. Space is our biggest limiting factor. So we find ways to basically cram everything anybody could want into these small spaces and make it comfortable.
Looks like this would be a really cool thing to bring to the annual Overland meeting on April 1st, right?
Yes.
We'll talk a little bit more about that. That sounds like something really cool. You might have made a new customer.
Awesome.
How about you guys?
Like to hear it.
Yeah.
Terry, like any of these ideas? Damon?
Love this stuff.
Oh, those look fantastic, yeah.